Today we're going to be thinking about fraction of problems. In this case, we're going to look at the example 1/4 of 16. There are many ways we could think about 1/4 of 16. One way is to think about it as an array. If we have 16 items, a 4x4 array, and we're trying to find 1/4 of these, well, we could simply count out by 4 and find 1/4 of those 16. So 1/4 of 16 whole pieces is 4. Now, another way to think of 1/4 of 16 is to think of 1/4 of 16 as 1/4 times 16. Well, when we think about it as multiplication, we can use an algorithm to help us solve. So 1/4 times 16. The first thing I'm thinking is, well, I know when I'm multiplying, it's the same thing as 1/4 16 times. And if I'm doing 1/4 16 times, that's the same thing as 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4, 16 times in a row. And when we do that, we know we would get 16/4 because we add the numerators and we don't add the denominators because the denominators just tell us the size of the pieces. So in this case, 1/4 times 16 is the same as 1 times 16 over 4, or 16/4. 16/4, as we know, is the same thing as saying 16 divided by 4. So we can take the numerator, 16, divide it by the denominator 4, which would give us a quotient of 4, which matches up with the picture we had a moment ago.